Introducing the migration-mobility nexus. When we social scientists talk about people, we often talk about migration and mobility. While for some they may be synonymous, others draw sharp distinctions between these terms. We introduced the migration-mobility nexus to better understand how migration and mobility are related. This is a framework that helps us understand different types of human movement. When we refer to the migration-mobility nexus, we present a system of different ways of understanding the relationship between migration and mobility. In the article, we also discuss applications of the different perspectives. Each perspective is an ideal type for understanding how migration and mobility relate to one another. Continuum sees fluid mobilities that transform into more stable forms of migration, and vice versa. Enablement highlights that migration requires mobility, and mobility can trigger migration. Hierarchy regards migration and mobility as political categories that can legitimize hierarchies of movement. Opposition considers migration and mobility as two concepts that are pitted against each other. We argue that the ways in which we understand migration and mobility are often implicit and encourage other researchers to be explicit about how these categories relate to one another. With the migration-mobility nexus, we provide a framework for doing so.